Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to compare 4 lenses. It's going to be an ultimate comparison because we've got here today a Samyang 85mm, Sigma 85mm f1.4, we've got a Sony 85mm f1.8, and we've got of course Zeiss Batis f1.8. Sigma, as you can see, is the biggest one, and the Sony is the smallest and the lightest one in this lenses. And as we can see, Zeiss Batis f1.8, we've got huge 67mm filter thread, we've got nice glass in the front of the lens, we've got of course image stabilization, and this is the only one lens which has image stabilization, so it's kind of big feature for this lens. Also nice and smooth manual focus ring. All lens is built with metal and glass, so it feels solid, it feels very nice, and we've got also an OLED screen in the side of this lens. The next one, we've got Sony 85mm, it's also f1.8, it's also made with metal and glass, and we've got 67mm filter, so the same as in the Zeiss. It's not weather sealed. Zeiss was weather sealed, and this is not weather sealed in the mount. But we've got here AF and manual focus switch, and we've got also in here autofocus lock button. So we've got some kind of switches and buttons on the side of this lens, and we've got also kind of a big and smooth manual focus ring. And what we've got in a Sigma, we've got the first aperture ring, so we can make also we've got some custom button, as you could see. Focus ring can be smooth and clicky as you want, and we've got a button for this, but now we can see AF and manual focus switch button. We've got AFL button, and here you can switch clicky or smooth aperture ring, so as you prefer, you can choose how it has to work for you. We also have nice manual focus ring, it's kind of smooth and nice working, and we also have weather sealing on the lens mount, so it's also very nice thing. It's kind of bigger in the front because have a 77mm filter thread, but it's most packed with features from all these 4 lenses. And the last one in today's comparison is a Samyang 85mm f1.4. It's also weather sealed. It's all built with metal and glass. It feels very nice. I love the design of this lens. It has a big manual focus ring, 77mm filter thread, the same as Sigma 85mm f1.4. And the very important thing is that is the most cheap, the cheapest lens with f1.4 aperture for Sony E mount system. And now we can see the comparison of flares, we can see the bokeh bones, we can see some chromatic aberration around the high contrast points, so you can compare everything. And I think that the Sigma is the most clear in here, of course. Then Samyang, but has not Samyang but Zeiss, but has a little bit of chromatic aberration. And let's compare autofocus in a photography mode. As we can see, I think that Samyang is the slowest one. The rest of lenses works pretty solid, but I think that Sony and Zeiss are the best. Next I would give to a Sigma, but it's also very good, and Samyang at the end. Right now we will compare autofocus in a video mode, and here we've got situation that Sigma and Samyang are very slow in that situation, even that camera was set up to the fastest one, and I think that Sony is the most accurate and the most on point, but Zeiss is also very good working. We also can see how the image stabilization works in Zeiss Batis, so it's a little bit more stable than the rest of the lenses. And here we will see the chromatic aberration, and as we can see, Sony has a pretty much of chromatic aberration problem. Then is the Samyang also have a lot of purple fringing. Zeiss is a little bit better, and the Sigma is the best one in this part. In terms of bokeh, of course Sigma and Samyang are the best. Zeiss is a little bit better than Sony, even that both are f1.8 in my eyes. And let's take a closer look, and I think that Zeiss and Sigma are the sharpest one in here. Zeiss is even sharper for me a little bit. Samyang has also a little bit of chromatic aberration, same as Sony, so that's it. And also let's take another look for the bokeh in here. So Sigma and Samyang is winning, but also let's take a look for sharpness, and here Zeiss I think is the winner for me, then Sigma, but they both are very close. Then is Sony with some kind of chromatic aberrations problem, and at the end Samyang with a lack of sharpness and problems with chromatic aberration. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you will like, subscribe and comment below. Please let me know which one is the best for you.